Are you a commercial roofing contractor? Are you looking for ways to grow your business? The ProWash Trailer System was designed for commercial roof coating contractors to help overcome real-life challenges that you face every day on the job site. Our towable systems are completely self-contained, and they help you achieve more in less time by specifically addressing issues like inadequate water supply, complicated setup and teardown, and so much more. Visit our website to check out all of the features and benefits that we offer, like two 24-horsepower pressure washers, complete inline plumbing from water source to the spray wand, unloader recirculators, and a lot more. You can request an estimate for your own ProWash system by simply filling out the estimate request form or by speaking with one of us. We're always happy to help. So come on over to ProWashTrailers.com and discover how we can help put money in your pocket. Because who wouldn't like more of that?